Hi, my name is Diego. I'm a project manager with Klaus Larsen Roofing. We are here today in Millbrook, New York. We are installing our ProVia metal color saddlewood because the original house, they have cedar shake wood, so they were trying to get something that looked similar, but this is metal, so it will last longer than regular wood shingle. Just come and check it out.
Online and did my research, and Klaus Larsen kept coming up to the top of the list. So I called a number of other roofers. Actually didn't get much of a response, but Klaus Larsen was right there. David called me, set up an appointment, and we were off and running. And he brought everything the roof replacement would entail, and took the time to go through it all and show me exactly what was going to be done. There was going to be a supervisor on site that would have made sure that it was correct. And I had no doubt now that it's done. I'm absolutely convinced that it was the best way to go.